How to log in into Lever employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Lever employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in lever.co and hit enter. On the Lever home page, look to the top right corner and click on the login button. You will be taken towards the login page. Enter your work email address in the email field and click on the next. Next, type in your password. Make sure to enter it correctly and click on the login button. After logging in, you will be directed towards the Lever dashboard. Here you can manage your job posting, review candidate applications, schedule interviews, and more. And that's it. You are now logged in into Lever employee account and get ready to work. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.